Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you where to see my Facebook pixel on Shopify. If you don't already have a Shopify store, you can use the link in the description below to register and get Shopify for just $1 for 3 months. Now let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the bottom left, select Apps and Sales Channels. Find the Facebook and Instagram app and click on it. Inside, you'll see the Overview section, where Facebook reviews your shop and syncs your products. Keep in mind that syncing can take up to 48 hours. Now click on Settings. Scroll down and you'll find different options such as your business details and marketing options. Here, make sure the Enable Data Sharing toggle is turned on. You can also select your preferred data sharing level, Standard, Enhanced, or Maximum. In the same section, you can see the pixel that's connected to your store. This is where you can verify that it's active and sharing data. If you scroll further down, you'll also see your shipping settings as well as the Facebook pages and Instagram accounts connected to your shop. And that's how you can view and manage your Facebook pixel settings right from Shopify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.